bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Como vieron en el título del video, oh my god, hoy voy a estar haciendo algo que creo que me voy a arrepentir después. Hoy voy a estar haciendo el drunk makeup tutorial. El drunk makeup tutorial. Sí, voy a estar bebiendo, haciéndome un tutorial de maquillaje, pero eso no va a ser lo único que voy a hacer. Lo voy a hacer en inglés. Entonces deberíamos de comenzar todo otra vez y comenzar todo el video en inglés. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, I am Bianca and welcome back to my channel. As you saw in the title of the video, today I'm gonna be doing like my first makeup tutorial but being drunk. English is not my first language, but I think I can at least communicate, right?
No.
I saw this video in James Charles and Kylie Jenner. I don't have the same money or the same amount of money that they do have, but something that I have is the book. Where is Spencer?
I don't know.
Spencer!
What?
Where are ya?
I got the mail.
Did I get something?
No.
Oh. As I was saying to you, like, I'm gonna be drinking this, baby. I'm opening. Lovely. Ok, es un shot por cada step.
The first step is the intro. Take a shot now. Do it.
Marica, huele fuerte. Tú me dijiste que esta verga no rascaba.
¿Qué? Yo te dije que pasa como agua. Adelante.
Ella dijo eso. Sí, pasa como agua. The first step that I'm gonna do is you need to clean your face. That no matter what, if you are ready, you clean your face.
It doesn't really matter if you already washed your face.
It doesn't really matter if you are ready, you wash your face.
Again.
You are bullying me. Okay, I'm using micellar water. Oh my god, my face was really good dirty. After that, you need to like take away or take off. You say take off? Like when you need to take off something?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you need to take off the micellar water because with the micellar water, I don't know.
It's not gonna let your makeup sink in.
You need to use rose water. I'm sorry, I love rose water. It smells so good. Now we need to wait to dry.
How long do you have to wait? Your face is soaking wet.
I don't know. But it smells so good. Okay, but you need to take off your micellar water.
Do you have to take off the rose water now?
No. Now that you have your face like that, we are of course using like moisturizer. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Moisturizer.
Moisturizer. I was happy.
That's better than you used to say.
How do you use?
You used to say moisty rosy.
Now we are gonna be using eye contouring, and I have my Tasha eye contouring. You are understanding what I'm talking about?
Yeah, because we speak Spanish.
So today I'm gonna be using this Smashbox. I really do love this primer. I'm doing the foundation, so I need to do another shot.
Yes. And from now on, take a shot with every product.
I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty foundation. I forgot the lip balm. You need to put lip.
Shot.
Why?
I can't see your face.
What did he say?
He can't see your face.
He can or he can't?
He can't from where he's sitting.
Why?
Play on the camera cam. Footage of you doing it. Even faster. You can't see your face at all. When you hold the mirror right in front of you.
Que tengas el espejo abajo, que no lo atravieses en la cámara.
Ah, ok, ya entendí. Obvio que ya entendí, me lo dijiste en español. Okay guys, I already have my base. My foundation on. So now I'm gonna be using my concealer. I'm gonna be using Shape Tape. So I'm gonna be putting my concealer on. I do this because I have a big yagging whatever.
Yalen.
Yala. Yeah, what?
Okay. Shot.
Why?
After the concealer. Okay, shot.
How the
Shot, 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 shot.
Okay, guys. Right now I need like to. How you say sellar?
Set.
Set. Oh, right now I need to set my powder.
No, you
No, I need to set my foundation with powder.
No, you need to set your concealer. You don't set the foundation.
Yeah, you do. Okay, you need to set your concealer. I'm gonna be using Laura Mercier, like it's a classic. Oh no! I set this fucking thing. I didn't do my eyebrows. I need to do my eyebrows.
Shot.
Why?
Because
Aren't you supposed to be doing a shot
Why?
every time you finish something?
you didn't
You
do it
finished your
between the
concealer.
powder and the concealer. Shot, 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 shot.
Adriana, say shot. I don't know what to feel about it. So for my eyebrows, as you can see, I don't have eyebrows at all. I use this tint or this tint by Benefit, and now, oh my god, I feel like a tequila coming out. I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills like pencil. Yo creo que me quedaron bien. Pero no me gusta cómo se me ve este cachete aquí. Siento que me voy a quedar dormida con el son de mi cachete.
Hey, eyebrows, no shot. I didn't see.
Sounds like you're falling asleep over there.
Okay, right now I'm gonna be using this bronzer by Becca. I'm gonna be using this bronzer. Okay, another shot.
Por cada verga. Tampoco quede.
Okay, now with the eyebrows. We are gonna. No.
You already did your eyebrows.
I know, no, right now with the eyes. Eyeshadow. Okay, I do love the transition color, so I'm gonna be using this color. How we do lip our.
What?
No, when you do.
She's already forgetting what she's saying halfway.
No, wait, listen. When you do have like lines in your eye, you need to take it off with your beauty blender, with your Morphe blender. Because if not, your makeup is gonna get stuck in there. So you need to like make that line disappear. It's a Bianca's tip. Okay, now it's a eyeshadow that I already said before. This is a transition color. You need to do this way, like do. English is so boring. What?
It's boring.
It's so boring. English is so boring. I cannot believe that my kids are gonna speak English.
And Spanish.
I hope so. If not, I'm gonna kill them. Right now, I'm gonna be using this dark whatever eyeshadow. I don't know how is the crease of my eye, so I think I could make it like looks awake. We are gonna take a smaller brush and we are gonna take a darker color to make more deep. Marica, yo siento que los colores se ven bien.
English.
Okay, I don't know if this is. I don't know if this is good or not, but the only thing I can say, like, I feel proud so far. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna do a cut crease.
Are you gonna do the cut crease before you finish blending whatever you're gonna do on top? Yeah.
I know what I'm doing. ¿Por qué me dejaste hacer esto? I don't know what I'm doing. What I'm doing now?
Is that how your eyes are supposed to look?
My what?
Are you just looking around trying to get ideas?
No. I know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put eyeliner.
What kind of eyeliner is it?
This is from Over Decay. Okay, for the eyeliner, I ruined it. Now it looks better. For the eyeliner, you need to, when you have eyes like mine that they look like tighter, you know what I'm talking about? Esto está bien feo.
That one's better.
Oh, este luce mejor. Todo lo que está mal en este video es culpa de Andrea.
English.
I was gonna say she already forgot her video was in English.
Everything that is bad in this video is because of Andrea.
It's not because of Don Julio?
No, the Julio is amazing. I wanna look sexy.
Oh, jeez.
I wanna look sexy.
It was sexy before.
What are you doing? What?
What is that, a piercing?
That's sexy.
It does look like a piercing.
Oh, she's
You're supposed to talk about what you're putting on your face and why you're doing it.
Okay, I'm putting blush. It's by Milani. It's a peach color. It looks like a rose. And I live in Rose City. This is Rose City. You didn't
Portland?
know that? Portland? It's Rose City.
You don't even put it.
I live in Portland.
And that's true. That's
I'm just trolling her.
Yeah.
Like always.
But didn't work. I think it looks so pink.
Shut.
Jesus Christ.
Don Julio. I never have had a sugar daddy. I think so.
Don't drop it.
Why do I talking about these things in front of my husband? I gosh, you need to love me in the same way that I was before I met you.
What?
Shut up.
We have a song in Spanish that say like El pasado. ¿Cómo es? Es un vallenato.
You know one word of it?
To el pasado.
But you don't need to think about my past. Because I don't ask you anything about your past. You need to be grateful with the things that you have had in your past because they were in the school and you are my graduation.
Is this the translation? Yeah. You remember the English? You didn't remember any of the words?
I mean, I've been listening to her and I know that's a song, but I don't know the words in Spanish.
Yeah.
Ellos. ¡Ah, no! ¡Mezclé las canciones! Marica, mezclé una canción de Ricardo Arjona. Y yo estaba.
Un vallenato.
Porque. Wait. Marica, yo estaba pensando en la canción El pasado es pasado de Silvestre Dangond y traducí Tu reputación de Ricardo Arjona. Marica, qué loca. ¿Quién mezcla dos canciones así? Si a ti te deseo, te juro que yo lo...
Tú hablas y hablas y no se te olvida el pasado.
I think I'm getting divorced after this video. Koshi, I love you.
I love you.
Ah, if I hear it. ¿Qué es esto? Ah, mi lunar sexy. Ajá, ¿y ahora qué? Las pestañas. Okay, now what I wanna do?
Your eyelashes.
I feel like putting the eyelashes on is gonna be hard for you. And
No hagan esto en casa. Well, my camera died, and right now I guess I'm gonna put my lipstick. This video is gonna be fucking over. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the fucking hangover that I'm gonna have tomorrow. Subscribe. Fucking subscribe to my channel. Do you think that make this video is easy or it's cheap? It's no. Ow!
What did you do to your face?